And I was on the phone venting to my girl. I'm like telling her, cause sometimes I be on the phone with her when I be at work. She be like, man, you be hard on your crew. It's not that. I just expect a lot from her.
Hard.
I expect a lot from her, but I'm one of them operators like Fridays, like when we get paid, I tell everybody don't even worry about lunch, bro. I got lunch for the land today type shit. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, really?
Or
oh, that's cool, man. That's
like,
cool.
cause I do expect a lot from them.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? I do expect a lot from them. Like, but I'm not one of those people. I ain't just walking around with my hands in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't just walking around with my hands in my pocket. Like,
but what did the kid say? Was it a younger fella that was on the phone?
Nah, younger, I guess.
But just acting.
I'm about 40. He like probably late 20s.
But just acting younger.
Yeah, like younger guy.
So what did he say?
He's like, well, I know I ain't supposed to be on the phone, but he like, shit, bro. It is what it is. Like, cause you know.
He said, I'll wear that.
I'll just wear it.
Like he telling you, like, don't worry about it. I'll wear it. I'll take it. It's on me.
Like, nah, cause you know if the head people walk in, catch him on the phone, and decide to walk him out, I guess he's saying, this is what it'll be. You know what I'm saying? Now.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
But in that same.
That's pretty smart. What I would tell him is that's pretty smart to get somebody off your back, because what you're trying to do is take the responsibility.
Yeah, but
that's pretty smart.
That's pretty smart, but in the sense of it.
But why are we here? We're here to make money. At some point, you're going to want to ask for more money.
You know, and I don't know how people is, but like with these jobs, it's always playing the long game, making yourself an asset, right? You know what I'm saying? But and like I tried to explain to the young dudes, man, at the end of the day, though, bro, everybody's replaceable. But your reputation will always precede you wherever you go, especially in certain industries. Like this industry that we in, a lot of these people at other places didn't work with each other in previous places, different situations.
Mm-hmm.
It could be somebody that was an operator here and may have left to go take a lead position somewhere else. May have been a lead here that left to take a manager position somewhere else. Like, and your work ethic and the way you work and how you conduct your business will follow you forever, whether you decide to change as a person or not. You know what I'm saying? People may remember that, may not remember that, whatever. But I'm one of those people when, you know what I'm saying, they like, oh, Rodney's coming in. Hey, now that motherfucker get it in. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, I ain't really here to be our friend. I ain't really here to be all buddy with y'all. No, I don't want to hang out outside of work. No, I don't care about what's going on in your personal life. I'm not one of those people. I'm more so like, let's get this shit out the door. You know what I'm saying? We got this Nestle contract. Nestle need 1.3 million units or whatever it is we running. You know what I'm saying? I know for a fact I can squeeze 400,000 out on this shift. I'm going to get it out the door. You know what I'm saying? I'm one of those people like, I'm really not trying to do less than what I know I can do. I'm always trying to push it.
Mm-hmm.
But that's all based on the crew of people that you got there working with you.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like,
what kind of stuff would you have to do to slow that down?
Man, it's so many variables.
Yeah.
Or things that gotta just be clicking and flowing.
Mm-hmm.
But like on Mac, like the day was, like I said, the day my off day, it was just my weekend off. I just came in and get a couple hours of OT or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? But on my shift, my crew, I just don't even deal with that. Like, man, when we get there, they ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? The lady that feeds my machine, she ready to go. She not even letting the feeder run dry. If the pallet running low and she need to grab, hey, run. And you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have her work stacked up for her. You know what I'm saying? My case maker, he already got boxes made. He already got everything organized and situated, so he ain't got to do nothing but just flow. You know what I'm saying?
Man, that makes it so much better, dude. That makes it so much better.
Nah,
oh my God.
Though,
yeah.
Bro, like, you gotta have good people. And like I was asking the lead today, I said, man, like, they a normal operator just be letting them just all get away with it, or is it they trying me because I don't normally work on their shift? Like, what you think it is? He's like, honestly, I'm gonna have to go with whoever's their normal operator, probably just because their normal operator ain't really worth a fuck. I think is what it is. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, he was like, "Nah, I'm about to have a meeting with these guys because somebody got to like, I can't go for this. Some got to." Like I said, when I came in the door or whatever, I told him I had operator experience, previous situations, or whatever the case may be. They told me it wasn't applicable to this job because the machines were different and all this other different stuff. I got in there, and in 3-4 months I had already moved up to where I was gonna be because, like I told them, it's the same thing.
But they were trying to bring you back. They were trying to bring you in on entry level.
Yeah, that's like, where they brought me in at.
Yeah, right? Yeah. You're like, well, I'm a little bit above entry right now.
Tight, because I had already done this.
Yeah.
And on top of that, my last operator job, we ran mail. Right? I told them mail is way more units than this. Like, mail is like you running. That shit is running. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I was like talking about, I know production, bro.
More than $1 million?
Yeah. Like.
But if you said you can get 400 on one shift here, how many could you get on mail?
In mail?
Yeah.
See, here goes the difference. All right, so the difference in that is they may do more units total.
Yeah.
The mail, we doing more units faster. Because with the mail, once you've done the work, you can just go home for the day. You get what I'm saying?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But it's always another order.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's always another order. With the mail, we could work our way. You could work yourself out of work, essentially. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, you may do 300,000 units in a day, but with the mail shit, I may can do them in 6 hours.
Yeah.
Where here it might take me 12 hours. I know I can get 300, 400,000 out the door. It all depends on the product we running.
Yeah.
Like the product we running today, like I know I could probably get 200, 250 out the door if I got everybody grinding. You know what I'm saying? And my whole thing be too, like, to get the work done makes the day go by faster. All that chilling and sitting around, not doing shit.
Yeah.
That shit make the day drag, bro. You know what I'm saying? It make the day drag. And then just on top of that, it's like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how they do it here, because I haven't got to that particular junction yet. Well, I know at my old place, like, let's say if you worked on the line and you went and asked them for more money, or it was time for your evaluation, your operator does your evaluation. Like, the operator does the evaluation of the crew members on the line. You know what I'm saying? The leads do the evaluations of all the operators. The managers do the evaluations of all the leads, and so forth and so on. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to keep it honest with you. I can like you as a person, but when it comes time to do that evaluation, I'm going to be completely honest about your work ethic and how it is that you work.
And feedback? Are you taking feedback?
Because I'm one of those people to where this is not your first time hearing this. I've told you this multiple times. Like, yo, I need you to stay out your phone. Yo, you taking too long on break, bro. Like, now, and I'm not even saying that to be no company man. I'm saying that because if you got, we rotating people in and out of position for breaks or whatever like that, you got to be considerate. Your break time holding up the next person from getting their break in. Everybody need their break time. I'm trying to get everybody in. You know what I'm saying? There may be times when y'all take too long on break, I may got to skip my break. You know what I'm saying? In order to keep this shit running. I don't bitch about it. You know what I'm saying? But people don't be understanding that shit.
You got to get the buy-in.
Nah, but like I told them, they like, bro, y'all ain't, y'all done stressing. This is my day off. Y'all ain't stressing me out. I'm going home. It's about this tonight. I'm gonna go home.
So you peaced out early?
Yeah, hell yeah. I got the fuck up out of there. I gotta go.
So who's gonna take over operating?
I guess the guy they training. Yeah, I guess they gonna, you know what I'm saying? Which he should have been doing it anyway. The lead just don't be feeling confident in them. Cause bro, you know how you ever work somewhere where you feel like somebody might have took a position just because they thought it was gonna bring them some more money, or maybe it was less work or something like that, but they just not really into it or in tune with their job or what it is that they doing.
Oh yeah. And in the corporate world, like that happen a lot. I'd be like, all right, now you're just making these reports and trying to make it all you're trying to manipulate stuff to make it seem like you're really contributing here, but it's not. There's no substance to it.
That's what I feel about safety people.
Okay.
Like people that do like any plant you work in got a safety manager. I feel like that's the biggest scam job in the world, bro.
Well, we gotta be safe.
Nah, fuck that. Like you do gotta be safe, right?
Yeah.
Nah, like you gotta be safe. But you don't need a whole manager with a whole yearly salary to walk around every day and tell people to put in their earplugs.
Oh, I see.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And so what they do is, right,
So you're saying that's a little excessive.
Yeah. Like they go around and randomly nitpick with people, like, might go around and randomly nitpick with folks like, hey man, so I need you to put your hairnet over your skull cap, or hey, whatever, like bro, we know this really, really, like the head of each department should be your safety person or something to that effect. But that
seems efficient to me.
They create, you know what I'm saying? They created a whole job, and see, I understand it on, like, when I used to do scaffolding, right? I was a carpenter for like 8 years. Right, and I used to do scaffolding. And I worked in a lot of these big industrial plants, Honeywell, Philip Morris, Ephonics, like DuPont, all these big plants.
Damn.
Right? And there is different, right? Because they very strictly OSHA regulated, right? So it's like, and when it comes to like jobs, when you subcontracting and you a subcontractor, the way that you get jobs a lot of the times is based on how much corporate insurance you gotta charge, because the way your insurance is factors into the price of how much they can charge you for a job. A job with a good safety rating gets lower insurance rates, therefore they can charge less. You get what I'm saying? When they bid these jobs,
safety rating.
When they bid these jobs out or whatever.
If they bring out like an OSHA estimator or
and all of that type of situation, right? So the safety man's down on you because we don't need no safety incidents. This ain't one of them type of places.
Okay.
This is one of them type of places where, bro, you don't need to pay this guy like $35 an hour every day to walk around and tell nobody put in their
No, I would say get one of the leads or operators to take a OSHA class and say, listen, we can handle this like this.
Nah, facts. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
For real, bro. You know what I'm saying? It be this place right here unorganized as fuck, but it is what it is.
Well, there's opportunity there then. I think.
Nah, it definitely is. And for real, this really, this is a stepping stone. Like, I had worked in a few years.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Really?
Because after COVID, I had
that, man.
Yeah, because after COVID, I had got real I got sick real bad with the COVID or whatever. So, I took a couple years off. So then I'm getting back into it. But shit, I got a homeboy of mine that worked down at the soya plant. And I'm just waiting on him. He got an opening coming up for an operator down there and shit. That shit paying like $5-6 more an hour than where I'm at now.
You gotta take that if you get it.
Yeah, for sure. But
enjoy the rest of the day, man.
Already, man. You be safe out here in the snow, brother.
Thanks, Rodney. You too. Right on. Opportunity. Cool as shit, dude. That was a good talk.